In this video, we are sharing 35 ways to style white t-shirt. For first outfit, you can style black leather jacket with navy blue jeans and black Chelsea boots. Next, you can try pastel green zipper hoodie with white cargo pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try tan jacket with tan pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try brown flannel layered with white denim jacket with white jeans and black Chelsea boots. Next, you can try grey cardigan with dark grey pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try tan and blue printed jacket with sky blue jeans and white sneakers. Next, you can try blue and white versatility jacket with white pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try beige and black versatility jacket with beige colored printed pants and beige colored sneakers. Next, you can try blue jacket with blue jeans and brown boots. Next, you can try tan denim jacket with black jeans and brown boots. Next, you can try green jacket with blue jeans and black and white sneakers. Next, you can try orange jacket with orange pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try red denim jacket with blue jeans and maroon loafers. Next, you can try blue denim jacket with tan pants and brown Chelsea boots. Next, you can try beige colored jacket with sky blue jeans and white sneakers. Next, you can try brown cardigan with blue jeans and tan boots. Next, you can try grey cardigan with grey jeans and white sneakers. Next, you can try blue flannel with black pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try black and grey checks jacket with black pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try tan jacket with white pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try brown jacket with black jeans and black boots. Next, you can try red flannel with tan cargo pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try tan printed jacket with brown cargo pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try sky blue jacket with black jeans and white sneakers. Next, you can try black shirt layered with black and white flannel with black pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try black and green flannel with black jeans and beige colored sneakers. Next, you can try brown and tan varsity jacket with beige colored pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try grey flannel with brown cargo pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try green jacket with white pants and green and white sneakers. Next, you can try blue denim jacket with black pants and black loafers. Next, you can try brown jacket with tan cargo pants and white and tan sneakers. Next, you can try blue cardigan with black pants and white sneakers. Next, you can try yellow jacket with black pants and yellow and white sneakers. Next, you can try black denim jacket with black jeans and tan boots. Next, you can try beige colored varsity jacket with sky blue jeans and beige colored sneakers.